Good evening. How is the show going so far? Are you having fun? Lot of efforts have gone into this. Thank you very much for your support. Appreciate it. Wish you and your family a happy Diwali. Let's make sure the lamps we light on this occasion of Diwali brings peace, joy, and happiness to your life and to this world. Imagine the impact of 7.5 billion little lamps of human kindness, all in harmony to bring peace, prosperity all around us. Just imagine that. A very warm welcome to my fellow committee members, representatives of Senator Cortez Masto, Senator Jackie Rosen, Congresswoman Susie Lee, Congressman Dina Titus, and Congressman Stephen Horsford. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you very much for your support and time. The committee members and volunteers of Friends of India have worked very hard to bring Holi, Independence Day, and Diwali event to you. They have contributed time, efforts, communicated effortlessly, coordination and commitment to bring all the pieces together to execute such an event. I take this opportunity to introduce my team. So please welcome President-elect Dr. Ram Singh, Vice President Namita Saran, Director Operations Sanjay Palrekar, Public Relations Lipika Mukhopadhyay, Cultural Affairs Anup Pandey, our Treasurer Bhavna Jain, our Secretary Neil Shah. Please give a big round of applause to this team. And last but not least, I want to recognize my other half, Chandra Mehta, for her enthusiastic support. I would like to thank the staff at the Eastside Cannery who have worked very hard to put the banquet and theatre logistic together for a wonderful experience. Thank you guys, great job. Thanks to Chris and his staff of cooks and servers of Mid India Bistro to delight us with the gourmet and mouth-watering appetizers, and wait for the main course is coming. I would like to take this moment also to acknowledge the services of Theresa McNally, who has helped us for past many years with the publication of Diwali magazine and photography of the event. Please big round of applause for Theresa for a well job done. Friends of India just received a letter from the governor, and I would like to read that letter to you. So give me a second please, let me pull that letter out. As Governor of the State of Nevada, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the Friends of India Las Vegas Diwali celebrations at the Eastside Cannery Hotel and Casino. I would like to thank Friends of India, President Mahendra Mehta, and all those who worked tirelessly to coordinate tonight's beautiful celebrations. Diwali is a time to honor Lord Rama, ring in the Hindu New Year, and celebrate the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. Friends of India has organized an incredible event where you will enjoy entertainment from members of the local Asian Indian community and a special live performance from Sameer and Somaya Dathe. Tonight, the Asian Indian heritage and culture will be on full display through delicious food, dance and performances. Whilst First Lady Kathy Sislop and I are not able to be here with you tonight, trust that we are joining you in this incredible celebration from afar. We thank Friends of India Las Vegas for their commitment to promoting and preserving Asian Indian culture throughout Southern Nevada. Again, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this year's Diwali celebrations. Kathy and I wish you a wonderful evening. So please, thank you Governor and appreciate the last minute letter. And we have a certificate from Senator Metzo, and I would like to invite Mr. Bato Christian to come here and present the certificate.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Christian Bato. I'm here on behalf of U.S. Senator Catherine Cortez Masto. Unfortunately, Senator couldn't be here today. She's up in northern Nevada, but she wanted to make sure that our office was represented to share this Diwali celebration with you all here this evening. We know that the great culture that is shared in this event is something that we can all learn from at a time like this, and we're just very happy to be celebrating this with you. So on behalf of Senator Catherine Cortez Masto, I have a certificate of senatorial commendation that I would like to present to the Friends of India Las Vegas for hosting this wonderful event this evening, as they do every year. So thank you very much.
I will ask my cultural team and my public relations team to announce and recognize their sub-teams here. So please. I'm sorry, so please come on. So we have some more certificates from our senators and congressmen, so please.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting us to the Diwali event. My name is Maggie Tsai. I'm here on behalf of Senator Jackie Rosen. It is a pleasure to be here. And we'd like to present to the team of Friends of India Las Vegas a certificate of special senatorial recognition in recognition of hosting the Festival of Lights celebration. Thank you for a wonderful evening of culture and festivities. We wish you great success.
Rai with the Office of Congresswoman Titus, and I have the pleasure to present this congressional commendation to Friends of India on the occasion of the 34th Annual Diwali Festival of Lights. Thank you for your commitment to bring the rich traditions of India to Southern Nevada.
Hello everyone, my name is Angeline. How is everyone doing tonight? Good. So I'm here on behalf of Congressman Stephen Horsford of Nevada's 4th Congressional District. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it here tonight, but he did want me to come and bring you a special message just from him. He wanted to wish you all a happy Diwali, and in this time of the Festival of Lights, as we light our lamps, we use this light to forge a brighter and better path for our future, and that's something we should remember as we go out into the community and in our own personal lives. So on behalf of Congressman Stephen Horsford, to the Friends of India Las Vegas, in commemoration of the Diwali, the Festival of Lights, thank you so much for bringing the Southern Nevada community together to celebrate this important cultural holiday. Sal Mubarak.
Thanks everyone. As PR, I understand that PR work is not really easy. Reaching out to people for an advertisement is not easy. It involves a lot of teamwork which made today's event a success. I want to thank my PR subcommittee for their tireless effort towards this organization.
And she's the one who's behind the success of this event, Varsha Desai! Come on! Now, can you all please give a big round of applause for this wonderful committee? And it is the joint effort of our executive team, our PR team, our cultural team, which have put this function together, and so that you can all enjoy the evening. So please give a big hand, a loud cheer to the committee. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much, Cultural Committee. Thank you so much, PR Committee. My Executive Board, Himani, Viola Himani Mehta, Viola D'Souza, Ankita Raman, Sejal Shukla, Riya Juliet, Priyanka Chauhan, Nitya Nataraja, and Yamini Patel. Enjoy the show.